how to change camera acceleration on Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize that. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. So now, we in the Settings interface. This is the place where you can customize and find different options. Here on the top, tap on Sensitivity. So this is the place where you can make different changes in your sensitivity. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section of camera. Here on the bottom you can even find different sliders. So it's up to you the way you want to adjust that. So you can adjust that and at last you can go back and it's done. So the camera settings is completely changed and later you can check it out in a gameplay too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you